This is Sarah, the manager of this large apartment building. All day she sees vans driving up to the building with all kinds of parcels for the people who live there. So many different vans every day that it's definitely not good for the environment. Many people are often not at home, so those packages can be delivered to their neighbours. The couriers also create a lot of damage to the building. Sarah decides to place a pickup point. Online purchases are now sent to the MyPup address. One dedicated courier from MyPup ensures that the parcels arrive in the pickup point on the same day with only one van visiting the building. People can now pick up their parcels whenever it suits them. A lot less vans, a lot less damage, a lot less hassle for the neighbours, and much better for the environment. Everyone's happy. MyPup. Simple, safe, easy.